Hi, my name's Kevin, and welcome back to Tractors in Life. So that's a beautiful winter day, it really is. We got a little bit of snow. Going to need to go back and get the driveway plowed. Plus, my neighbor is out of town, and I'm going to go ahead and take care of their driveway as well. But before we get started, I wanted to go over one thing real quick, kind of a little housekeeping. A couple videos ago, I did a video where I talked about starting your own YouTube channel, mainly because there's a lot of really smart people out there. I see that in our comments but with our viewers, and I'm sure that you have something to offer, but also to get people kind of excited about something. Some of us develop a sedentary lifestyle, and maybe things just aren't as interesting as they used to be. And I can tell you, for me, that YouTube has made a huge difference in my life and having something to do when I get up in the morning. But what I wanted to add to that was I want to help. I had a number of viewers contact me and say they had given thought previously to starting a channel, and I told them that, of course, I'm there for them. I know that there are things you can go out there and purchase to help you start a YouTube channel, and you have to do your due diligence with that and figure out if it's worth it or not. But I'm here, and you can contact me through the comments or through our email, which is tractorsinlife@gmail.com. Any questions? I paid the dumb tax. I didn't have any help. There's no reason for you guys to pay that dumb tax. So I just wanted to say that I'm here to help in any way that I can. First, they're out of town, and I'm going to go ahead and get their driveway plowed. Still snowing. Can't go by the weather forecast because they say it's not snowing. But this is a lake effect band, and it's just kind of meandering right now. You'll notice those big chunks coming up off the driveway. That's a layer of ice as its base, and what I'm trying to do is put a little down pressure on it and break up some of the ice, so it'll make it easier for Greg and Jessica to clear the driveway going forward, because winter is not over. take a look at the center of the screen, right there on the hood of the tractor, and you'll see the black GoPro camera sticking up. I have it mounted to the grill guard in the front. So future me here, this day was a disaster. Trying to help some neighbors out, which I love these people, and we've done stuff together. We've helped each other out. No issue doing that. On my way out to the barn, I was going to start the tractor and warm it up, and I fell. And if you've been watching our channel, you might recall back in December, which is, let's see, about 2 months ago, I fell getting out of my truck at my aunt's, super icy driveway. My feet went out from underneath me, and I hit the running board of the truck coming down, and I tore my rotator cuff, which hurts. I've been to the doctor a couple times for it. I don't know if I'm gonna need surgery or what. But coming out today, I fell. Between the house and the barn, it's pure ice. And of course, I came down right on my shoulder. So that was number one. Number two, you'll see, I was trying to pile the snow at my neighbors beyond their turnaround, so I made a really big pile there. And prior to doing it, I thought, well, I'm gonna get some really cool shots. So I mounted the one camera right here. Now we normally shoot with 3 cameras, various spots. I had never tried that before, and I wanted to try it. I thought it would give me some cool shots. Well, yeah, you guessed it. Came off as I was banking that huge pile. I have no idea where it is. It's an expensive camera, but yeah, we'll probably find it in the spring. Yeah, so that wasn't good. So yeah, this video didn't turn out exactly as I planned. Got everything done, but I didn't expect this kind of day. Yeah, not good luck with cameras today. What you're going to also see in a couple minutes here is, again, as I'm banking the snow. Now, I had a tripod right up on this big pile. Probably wasn't smart. You can see I'm getting closer and closer to the other camera, not the one that was lost on the grill, but the one that's on the tripod. And, yeah, I gave it a smack, and down went you guys. Sorry about that. Well, I did it again. I was trying to get some cool shots. I mounted the camera up on the grill, and it's gone. Try to find it. I doubt I'll be able to. Oh boy. Yeah, so what I did was I kept working the pile, you know, a little bit at a time, hoping that the camera would show up, but it didn't. And you know, the ironic thing is, walking back over after I got my driveway done and I was coming, I could hear the camera beep and shut off, but I still wasn't able to find it. You know, maybe someday I'll learn. Probably not. Nothing. as my grandmother would say, ay, 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 ay. Oh, could be worse, right? Yeah, I did lose the camera, did fall, but I'm still in one piece, and I got the work done. Not a lot of snow, and it's still snowing, but I was able to get it done. I hope you enjoyed this, in spite of some of the difficulties, and we will see you next time on Tractors in Life, and God bless you all.